Namaste, sir. I completed actually 1 year, sir, in PSSM just 2 days back. 1 year on May 14th, I joined actually Lalita Sahasranamam with Padma Jakka madam.
Oh
So
yeah.
that was. So today I came in front of you just to share my experiences this whole 1 year, not just about JDTP. JDTP, I attended few sessions, but not all 21 days I could attend. So last year I joined and I did talk to you. Don't know if you remember. I had a question. I was in a dilemma whether this PSSM was for me or is this the right meditation for me. I asked you a question, sir. I have done Art of Living. I was almost decided to go for Isha. So I don't know which meditation I need to choose. So you said, like, how do you select a movie? Like, how do you go for a movie? I said, like, I'll check reviews and all that. So that convinced me. And Lalita Sahasranamam also, like, I just joined that to learn how to read or how to chant. I didn't even know that was a meditation or dhyanam teaching. Padma Jekka madam was teaching. So it just so happened that everything, I'm just observing myself this whole 1 year. It just went off, sir. I mean, so many things happened. So many things happened. I'm so blessed. And after just couple of months, I just realized this is it. This is the meditation I want to do it. It was perfect for me. I mean, it aligned exactly what I really wanted to do and everything what I wanted to do. One thing it attracted me so much this meditation was music, sir. I love music. I struggled so much to teach. I mean, at least for my kids. My daughter learned for 5 6 years music, Carnatic music here. She left it. My son is learning. Still, I'm struggling with him. I said, okay, 2 more years I have until he goes to high school. He's learning Carnatic music and Carnatic instrument too. So after coming to PSSM, I decided, okay, that's enough of going back on my kids. I'm going to learn myself. And I started music. It's been few months now, and I'm loving it. I feel like so blessed that I finally started myself learning music. I'm doing something for myself. So it's a big thank you for you, sir. I mean, I don't know if PSSM would have not concentrated so much on music, I would have never pursued my hobby or my career on music now. And now I'm thinking, okay, I want to learn instrument too. So I don't know which instrument yet, but I want to start an instrument. Uh, that's one thing. And also last year I started Gita, Ganapat Sachidananda Swami 10 months course. It started in August. We just completed last week 18th chapter, sir. Whole 18 chapters of chanting, really good pronunciation. So they concentrate on more pronunciation, little of high level meanings. So the whole journey of 10 months of Bhagavad Gita and this meditation and music, it's like a blissful experience that I have, like whole this 1 year. And I have seen myself transforming so much in everything. The way I'm acting with family, kids, or people, even if they're arguing or something, I don't argue back or so many things I'm seeing. And silence. Silence is like the best thing I have learned from you, sir. Mauna is so important. I didn't know any of these. None of my family are meditators. Of course, my husband started meditation like, I don't know, some 10 years back or something. He does Sahaja Mark. I have seen him in Mauna so much. I mean, he doesn't talk at all. So much, sir. So now I'm realizing that, okay, this Mauna is such a powerful tool and I'm trying to implement. Of course, I used to talk so much. I'm still controlling how much I have to talk. So I'm still learning on how to talk. Vakshetram is so important. I learned each and everything through PSSM, sir. I'm so blessed and thankful to each of the masters here. And I did inner journey too, 60 days of inner journey. That was an amazing experience, sir. 3:30 a.m. I used to get up. Not a single day I missed. Pratima madam used to guide, and it was an amazing journey for me. And I think that's all. One more thing, sir, I want to share is about Chinmaya. I teach here Chinmaya for kids for last 4 to 5 years. So the difference I've seen in my teaching after coming into this PSSM meditation, I used to be like every Sunday, okay, oh, I have to get up, I have to learn or practice. whatever I have to teach. I used to think that is a task. Now I love teaching, sir. I mean, I have seen the difference. Now I don't want to miss a single day. That's okay. This year I have done second grade kids. So we were teaching Ramayana. So Ramayana, we all know I don't have to practice so much. Okay, in the morning I used to get up something like, okay, well, these are things I need to talk, and that's it. But not a single day I missed after realizing this teaching is so important, and I love teaching kids now. So it's so blissful, sir. And one another thing I want to share is about spiritual tablets. I'm doing spiritual tablets, counseling sessions. I've done level 1, module 2 exams, and we are preparing for module 3. That's one more sharing. And I also done level 1, level 2 spiritual science by Shivaramappa sir
Shivaramappa.
classes. Yes, sir. Waiting for level 3, sir. So where I think that's the last course in that. I've been like 12 months, sir. I've been so busy doing something or other. It's some amazing, sir. I came in front of you today just to share my experience. I've never been share. I mean, I always tried, but I never got a chance. But today, thank you for JDTP team and Sirisha Garu and Srikant Garu for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with you. Uh, and I also did Shivaratri 12 hours Sakanda Dhyanam, sir. That day I did Nirvana Shatakam for you, but I couldn't talk to you. I think you were very tired or something. But I feel really nice talking to you today because I completed 12 months in this.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
It's okay, Baba. Thank
Yeah.
you very much.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, one thing I have, sir, two concerns, sir. One is about the books. I still have to work on it. And if you have any suggestions on that, that will be really helpful. And second one is I have a dog at home. Her name, my kid's named as Maya. It's so amazing, sir. We have a dog name called Maya. And the my biggest concern is like every time I feed her, I know here in US, it's very difficult to give vegetarian. I mean, that's how she's trained. Every time I give her food, I'm in pain, like I'm giving her meat. I don't know how to get rid of that pain, sir. That's the only concern I have. Other
You
than
cannot
that,
do
I'm
that.
so
You
happy.
cannot do that. If you
Sorry,
have a
sir.
dog, it must be a vegetarian dog. Otherwise, don't have dogs.
Don't have
Why should
dogs.
you have dogs?
Sir, I did not get that, sir. I mean, these kids got it and they just left it on me right now.
Give only vegetarian food.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.